Welcome! Today we are starting a brand new series, The Healthy Grocery Shopping Guide. In this series, we'll walk together through every section of the supermarket, from fresh produce to proteins, grains, dairy, and even packaged foods. But in this first episode, we are focusing on the fruits and vegetables aisle, the foundation of every healthy diet. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which fruits and vegetables to put in your shopping cart and how to choose them wisely. Let's get started. Why fruits and vegetables are essential. Fruits and vegetables are nature's medicine. They're rich in vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber. Eating more of them reduces your risk of heart disease, diabetes, obesity, and even some cancers. Plus, they boost your energy, keep your skin glowing, and help your digestive system work smoothly. Simply put, the more colors on your plate, the healthier your body becomes. Best fruits to add to your cart. Let's start with fruits, sweet, delicious, and powerful. Apples. High in fiber, great for digestion, and they help keep you full longer. Berries. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, packed with antioxidants that fight aging and disease. Bananas, full of potassium, perfect for energy and muscle health. Oranges and citrus fruits, rich in vitamin C, amazing for your immune system. Avocados. Yes, it's a fruit, loaded with healthy fats and fiber, excellent for heart health. Tip: when choosing fruits, go for seasonal and local options whenever possible. They're fresher and more nutritious. Quick question for you. What's your favorite fruit or vegetable that you buy every week? Write it in the comments. I'd love to know what's in your shopping cart. Best vegetables for your health. Now let's move to vegetables, the superheroes of the produce aisle. Broccoli, packed with vitamin C, K, and powerful compounds that protect against cancer. Spinach and leafy greens, high in iron, magnesium, and antioxidants. Perfect for your bones and muscles. Carrots, rich in beta-carotene, which supports healthy vision and skin. Tomatoes, a great source of lycopene, which helps protect your heart. Bell peppers. Believe it or not, they contain even more vitamin C than oranges. Tip: how to choose fresh and healthy produce. Here are 3 quick tips for smart shopping. Check the label. Organic or locally grown produce usually means fewer pesticides and more freshness. Go for variety. Different colors equals different nutrients. Don't buy the same fruit and vegetable every week. Storage matters. Keep leafy greens in the fridge, but store bananas and tomatoes at room temperature for the best taste. These small habits will keep your fruits and veggies fresh, tasty, and full of nutrition. So, that's your beginner's guide to shopping for fruits and vegetables. If you fill half your cart with these colorful foods, you're already on the right track to a healthier life. But this is only part 1 of our healthy grocery shopping series. In the next episode, we'll move to the protein section, meats, fish, beans, and more. So make sure to subscribe to Fit Doc Food, hit the notification bell, and follow the full series to transform the way you shop and eat. Until then, happy shopping and stay healthy.